So if you'll take a second, look at the plan.
Well, you will see what I see. And that's money. Not our money.
Oh, mama, I'm in fear for my life from the long
Baby, where are you going?
This gold business wrote me off years ago. But it's amazing how little gold dust can just change everything.
Damn it, Kenny.
Lawman is putting an end to my running, and I'm so far from my home.
Mike Akasha.
What are we talking about?
I had a dream.
Right here.
Indonesia.
That's where we'll find the gold.
Hangman is coming down from the gallows, and I don't have very long.
Wait! We found nothing and the workers are leaving. Wait.
Kenny, look. We got a gold mine. We got a gold mine. Yeah, for better or worse, the ride had begun. And what a ride.
I never doubted you for a second.
This is Ryan Wolf in New York.
They were coming at me from all sides.
We believe you're sitting on the largest gold find of the decade.
We're talking over $30 billion.
Washoe mining turned into a rocket ship.
Wells cut a deal.
Who cut a deal with him?
This isn't a deal.
No boats. No deal.
Open it. Other very powerful people are very angry.
The military is taking over the mine.
These people are using you.
They can just steal it away.
The gold is mine. I found it.
And the only question I'm left with is, how did $17 billion disappear overnight?
Then I don't have very long.